Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that a lot of people are interested in, starting a YouTube channel. YouTube has become a massive platform for creators to showcase their talents and reach millions of people worldwide. If you've ever thought about starting a channel but don't know where to begin, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started with some tips on how to start a YouTube channel. Define your niche. First things first, you need to define your niche. What are you interested in, and what do you want to create content about? Your niche should align with your interests and passions. Take some time to brainstorm and write down different niche ideas. You can also research different topics related to your interests and see what other channels are doing. Set up your channel. The second tip is to set up your channel. You'll need to create a Google account if you don't have one already, and then create a new YouTube channel. Make sure to fill out your About section and upload channel art that represents your brand. This will help viewers understand what your channel is about and what they can expect from your content. Create your first video. The third tip is to create your first video. This is where you can let your creativity shine and showcase your talent. Whether it's a vlog, a tutorial, or a product review, make sure to create content that aligns with your niche and provides value to your viewers. Promote your channel. The final tip is to promote your channel. You can share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your viewers. Make sure to engage with your viewers by responding to comments and creating a sense of community around your channel. So, in summary, starting a YouTube channel is all about defining your niche, setting up your channel, creating your first video, and promoting your content. Remember, it's a journey, and it takes time and effort to build a successful channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.